Hello everyone! Welcome to another cooking tutorial from Cupid's Cooking. And today we're gonna make a sweet, tangy, and super soft barbecue short ribs. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get the latest update on our exciting videos. First, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. And for our ingredients, we need 600 grams of short ribs, 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, half a cup of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, or you may also use honey, a cup of barbecue sauce, a tablespoon of chili garlic paste, or you may use gochujang chili paste, and 3 tablespoons tomato puree, 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. So let's start cooking. First, clean the ribs by removing the excess membranes. Set aside. In a bowl, combine the following: tomato ketchup, tomato puree and chili garlic paste, barbecue sauce, Worcestershire sauce, soya sauce, and corn syrup. Whisk well until well combined. Set aside 1/4 of a cup for later. Put a layer of foil in a baking tray. Slide the ribs and season well with salt. Pour the barbecue marinade or sauce and coat well. Fold the foil around it and tightly seal. Bake for 3 hours. Open the foil and transfer the cooked ribs to another tray lined with foil. Discard all the accumulated juices. Change the setting of your oven to grill and increase the temperature to 250 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, brush the beef with a reserved sauce or marinade and bake it for 15 minutes to brown the top. Transfer it to a serving plate and serve with your favorite side dish. And there you have it! Your barbecue short ribs is now ready. Enjoy! Thank you for watching and see you next time! Bye bye!